Hey everyone, today I'm diving into a truly inspiring story, the untold journey of Ethiopia in the Olympics. Prepare to be blown away by the resilience, determination and sheer willpower of some incredible athletes. Let's wind the clock back to 1960. The scene, Rome, a relatively unknown runner, Abebe Bikila, steps up to the starting line of the marathon. There's a catch though, he's running barefoot. Yes, you heard that right, against all odds. Bikila crosses the finish line first, becoming the first Ethiopian to win an Olympic gold medal. More than just a win, it was a powerful statement. Bikila's victory put Ethiopia on the global sports map. Fast forward to 1964 in Tokyo. Bikila does it again, this time with shoes. He wins the marathon, setting a new world record. But Ethiopia's story doesn't end there. Enter Mamo Wold in 1968. He continues Ethiopia's marathon legacy by winning gold in Mexico City. Another name to remember, Mirut's Yifter, the Yifter the Shifter. In the 1980 Moscow Olympics, he snags gold in both the 5,000 and 10,000 meters. His explosive sprinting in the final 300 meters was nothing short of legendary. Ethiopia's prowess isn't confined to the past. Think of Haile Gebrselassie, Kenenisa Bekele, and the phenomenal Tirunesh Dibaba. These athletes have carried the torch, breaking records and winning multiple medals. Their success is a testament to the enduring spirit and talent that define Ethiopian runners. So, what makes Ethiopian athletes so exceptional? It's a mix of high-altitude training, an unbreakable spirit, and a culture that celebrates endurance. Running is more than just a sport in Ethiopia, it's a way of life. Ethiopia's Olympic journey is a story of overcoming hardships, setting new benchmarks, and inspiring generations. Each medal won is a symbol of hope and pride for a nation. These athletes have shown us that with determination and hard work, the seemingly impossible becomes possible. So, next time you watch the Olympics, remember the incredible legacy of Ethiopian athletes. Their story is not just about winning races, but about the power of the human spirit. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more incredible stories from the world of sports. Until next time, keep pushing your limits.